Here we go. We're at Diver City. I mean, we could go over this entrance, but this is the boring entrance where boring things happen. Let's go for the exciting entrance of Diver City. Here we go. Here is the Unicorn Gundam. Of course, this has changed since I was last here. When I was last here, it was the original Gundam, which is weird because that's way more iconic. This is from, I believe, the newest, one of the newer Gundams. That's probably nowhere near as iconic as the original. But I guess they want to just go with what's new, what they're promoting at the moment. So as you see behind me, I am here with the Unicorn Gundam, which actually, it was a good few couple of years ago. I do believe there is a show sometimes, and literally the Unicorn horn opens up, so it turns into a more traditional sort of Gundam thing. Yeah, it looks super cool. Over here in the distance, we'll see a shop called, or a shopping centre called Venusport. That's Pallet Town, and not the Pokemon Pallet Town. A really lovely little shopping centre. It had like a really cool Italian theme, sort of like a little. Unfortunately, it's been shut down recently, and it's going to become a sports stadium. So really nothing that interesting. I think Team Lab Borderless was there because we still do have the giant Gundam. But we're talking about things that have unfortunately shut down. It's kind of awkward, really. Over here is the Gundam Cafe, and yeah, this shut down about a good couple of months ago. All the Gundam cafes shut down in Japan. So yeah, so if you're expecting a Gundam Cafe here, it's not here anymore. As you can see way closer up. It's funny because on the thing it still says Gundam Cafe. So I gotta cover that up with like paper or something. And yeah, literally at the front you can still see it says Gundam Cafe. Walk straight in and there's already a Gundam thing telling you to wash your hands. Oh, there's actually another costume here. So it turns out, yeah, I was wrong. Akiba was not the only one to have one. This is the food court, mostly more traditional Japanese items. And there's another hidden Gundam referenced there. Like the fact there's a giant bear wearing a Japan football kit. I mean, after last night knocking out Germany, I think he deserves it. I'm gonna give him a fist bump. Thanks for knocking out Germany. Yeah, this kit is legit being created by the guy who did Blue Lock. He actually designed the kit. It is tempting. And they've got a large large. Oh, they got like a little Sylvanian family shop. That's so adorable. Yeah, the thing is, the Sylvanian family is actually a Japanese franchise. I only found that out a few years ago. I just used to love playing with these. They're just always really good to, especially with like model train sets, they just always look really good. I remember there was a pop-up store in London a few years ago, and me and my sister went. And yeah, there was actually those really cool little bits. I think you could pick up, you couldn't normally. Oh, they even got like a little elephant now. Yeah, I think there was even a Sylvanian family anime at one point in the 80s, and I think the weirdest thing is I vaguely remember watching it. I think they actually released it on video. They actually dubbed it, so even got lucky bags. That's so cool. Oh wow, they even got that one. I remember that. My sister had that one. I like about round one has a collaboration, the bowling has a collaboration with Tokyo Avengers. So you can get special Tokyo Avengers bowling. And here is the Tokyo Gundam base. I believe you don't have to pay to go in here. Last time I came in here it was something totally different that you have to pay, but now of course, this is showing off all the Gundams. There's the moving Gundam, which we didn't get to see. And this is just a load of Gundam figures you can buy right now. I believe it's mostly a shop. Before this was like a 4D cinema, and you could go and like get yourself taken pictures. See, these are like based on wrestlers and stuff. Oh, they even got signed stuff right from the creator. it's just all Gundam kits you can go and get. I said, Win, last time I was here, this was more like essentially, they got G Gundam, they got the best Gundam, they got G Gundam, and stuff. That's awesome. How much are these codes? Ouch. That's almost like 40,000 yen. That's practically almost how much I have left to spend. Oh, they even got stuff signed by voice talents. Got all these SD. Got a load of characters from different Gundam. I recognise these guys from, damn it, I knew the one. The one I'm going to put the name down. Over here is actually from my favourite Gundam, the Gundam I've actually seen the most of, and that's Gundam Seed. They actually showed it on a UK cable channel years and years ago. This was kind of how I got into Gundam. It's weird that they very rarely talk about Seed. Of course, over here is the original, and most people will probably recognise, of course, the Char. And always get your name, is it Anno? I'll edit in your name. And a really nice Gundam here. And there's like even a painting in there before. Wow. There's legit like people painting Gundams in there. There's like a whole craft. Like Gundam really has become its like own sub thing. Here's a poster for the Gundams currently airing. I've not seen any of it. The Witch for Mercury. I have heard good things about it, and I may check it out when I get back home because I got a lot of anime to watch and catch up on. Even the big hero box at the top. So yeah, I would say if you're really into Gundam, definitely come over here. I'm very casually into Gundam. There's some I like, some I don't like. But I said I'm more an Evangelion person. It's just really Evangelion. I'd be able to tell you everything. Of course, there's only technically really one major timeline in Evangelion. And I think they have deals on statues and stuff. That's enough. I'm trying to get out.